Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to How To, or if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for the latest insights. Today, we're exploring small businesses that you can start in 2024, even if you have no prior experience. Let's dive right in. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an ideal choice for beginners. You don't need to manage inventory, just set up an online store, connect with suppliers, and they'll handle shipping. It's an excellent way to enter the e-commerce world without a steep learning curve. Freelance services. Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or social media management, you can offer services online. Freelance platforms can connect you with clients, making it accessible for beginners. Local service business. Consider starting a local service business. Think about home cleaning, pet sitting, or lawn care. You can learn as you go, and these businesses often require minimal investment to start. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is about promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale. Many companies offer affiliate programs, making it accessible for beginners. Learn how to market and track your promotions for success. The importance of learning and adaptability. Even with no experience, you can succeed. Invest time in learning about your chosen business, stay adaptable, and be open to gaining new skills. Online courses and resources can be invaluable in your journey. Starting a business without experience is possible, and 2024 offers exciting opportunities. Pursue your passion, conduct research, and embrace a learning mindset. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or any additional tips in the comments below. We're eager to hear from you. Until next time, may your entrepreneurial dreams thrive. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.